In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect white chocolate macadamia nut cookies. This recipe is so easy, I'm going to show you how to make it by myself. Let's get started. First, add the wet ingredients. Then add the dry ingredients. Add the sugars last. For some reason, cookies turn out better when you add the ingredients in this order. Save some macadamia nuts and white chocolate chips before you mix them in. Scoop out the cookie dough when it is hard enough to not lose its shape. Then add the macadamia nuts and white chocolate chips on top. Before we start, I would like to show you this. This is an oven thermometer and it will make or break your cookie. You may need to adjust your oven temperature because the temperature can be off significantly. Space out the cookies to give them plenty of room to expand. So these are the perfect cookies, and let us know down below in the comment section how they turned out. We'd like to thank our 200 subscribers for supporting our channel, and if you haven't already, subscribe down below for more videos.